over 60? Top 3 foods to prevent muscle loss and leg cramps. Strengthen your legs. Have you ever been jolted awake in the middle of the night, your leg twisted in pain so sharp it takes your breath away? Those cramps aren't just random. They're warning signs your muscles are starving for the right nutrients. But the good news is, there are simple, everyday foods that can calm your muscles, balance electrolytes, and stop those painful cramps before they even start. In this video, you'll discover the top 3 foods every senior over 60 should eat to keep legs strong and free from pain. Stay until the end, because the most powerful food is revealed last, and missing it could mean another sleepless, painful night. 1. Eggs. Eggs might look simple, but for seniors over 60, they're a quiet powerhouse for stronger muscles and steadier legs. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, explains that adults can lose up to 3% of their muscle mass every year after 60 if they don't get enough protein. That slow loss, called sarcopenia, is what makes daily movement harder. Standing up feels heavier, steps feel unsteady, and leg cramps strike more often. Each egg delivers complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids, the building blocks your body needs to rebuild and prepare muscle fibers. Think of an egg as a small but mighty repair kit, patching up the wear and tear your muscles face every day. Take James, a 71-year-old from Arizona, who used to wake up most nights with painful calf cramps. He thought it was dehydration, but his doctor told him the real issue was protein. James started eating 2 eggs for breakfast, and within 3 weeks, his legs felt stronger and those nightly cramps nearly vanished. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, spreading protein evenly throughout the day helps seniors maintain strength and reduce muscle fatigue. Eggs make that easy. They're soft, affordable, and digestible even for slower metabolisms. But muscles can't move properly without the right support, and that's where vitamin D steps in. It's the nutrient that helps calcium do its job, letting muscles contract and relax smoothly. The Mayo Clinic warns that vitamin D deficiency is extremely common among older adults, especially those who spend less time outdoors. Without enough vitamin D, muscles weaken and cramps become frequent. Egg yolks naturally contain this essential vitamin, making them one of the few everyday foods that help fill that gap. One large egg has about 40 IU of vitamin D, and pairing it with milk or yogurt boosts calcium absorption for stronger muscles and bones. A study from Harvard Health Publishing confirms that seniors who eat vitamin D-rich foods along with calcium have better muscle control and fewer balance falls. So next time you plan breakfast, skip the empty toast and choose 1 or 2 eggs instead. You'll feed your muscles the strength they need to keep you active and steady. If you're still watching, type strong legs in the comments, hit like, and stay tuned, because the next nutrient inside eggs might surprise you. Miss that, and all these muscle benefits could slip away before you even notice. Eggs don't just build muscle, they also protect the nerves that keep your body moving smoothly. Inside each yolk are 2 vital nutrients many seniors overlook: vitamin B12 and choline. They're like the body's wiring system, keeping signals between your brain and muscles clear and steady. Without enough B12, nerves misfire, causing tingling, weakness, and those painful leg spasms that seem to appear out of nowhere. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, reports that nearly 1 in 5 adults over 60 has low B12 levels, often due to lower stomach acid or common medications like those for diabetes or heartburn. Choline protects the myelin sheath, the insulation around nerves, helping muscles contract and relax without jerking. Together, these nutrients help keep you stable, coordinated, and cramp-free. Take Linda, a 69-year-old retired teacher from Florida. Every night, her legs tingled like pins and needles. After a checkup, her doctor found her B12 levels were low. Instead of rushing to supplements, she began eating 2 scrambled eggs 3 times a week, sometimes with yogurt or salmon. Within 2 months, her cramps faded, and she said, "My legs finally feel like they belong to me again." Her story fits what the Mayo Clinic explains. B12 deficiency is a hidden cause of fatigue and muscle spasms, yet diet changes can reverse it. Now, some seniors worry about cholesterol, but studies from the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health show that 6 to 7 eggs per week are safe for most people and don't raise heart risks. Pairing eggs with fish or dairy adds vitamin D and calcium, boosting both muscle and nerve health. The Cleveland Clinic notes that this mix of B12, D, and healthy fats helps prevent weakness and improves coordination, two things vital for staying independent as you age. So if you're watching this, don't skip eggs. They're gentle, affordable, and proven to support strength and nerve health. Drop a quick energy in the comments if you're still here, and stay tuned because the next food we're about to reveal, bananas, works hand in hand with eggs to calm cramps and keep your muscles flexible. 2. Bananas. Bananas may seem simple, but for seniors over 60, they're one of the body's best natural protectors against cramps, weakness, and fatigue. Behind that bright yellow peel hides a perfect blend of minerals that your muscles crave, especially potassium, the nutrient responsible for smooth movement and healthy nerve communication. According to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, potassium helps regulate the tiny electrical signals that tell your muscles when to tighten and when to relax. When potassium levels drop, muscles misfire, leading to spasms, stiffness, or sudden cramps, especially at night. The Mayo Clinic adds that potassium also maintains fluid balance, preventing dehydration that often worsens leg cramps in older adults. One medium banana gives around 420 milligrams of potassium, more than 10% of your daily need, and its natural sugars provide steady energy without spiking your blood sugar like processed snacks. Take George, a 74-year-old from North Carolina, who spent years dealing with nightly calf cramps, so painful they woke him up gasping. He assumed it was poor circulation until his doctor suggested adding one banana to his breakfast and another after his evening walk. Within a month, the cramps faded, and he said, "I haven't kicked off the covers in pain since." What George experienced makes perfect sense scientifically. Research from the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health confirms that a diet rich in potassium helps maintain normal muscle contractions and supports heart rhythm, both vital for seniors managing blood pressure or circulation issues. Unlike pills or electrolyte drinks that often contain additives, bananas offer a clean, natural source that's easy to digest, even for sensitive stomachs. Potassium also works hand in hand with magnesium, another mineral that helps muscles relax after contracting. The Cleveland Clinic explains that magnesium supports enzyme function and reduces excessive nerve activity that triggers spasms. A single banana provides about 32 milligrams of magnesium, and when combined with nuts or leafy greens during the day, it keeps the body's electrolytes balanced. Eating a banana before bed can even help relax leg muscles, reducing the risk of midnight cramps and improving sleep quality. So if you're watching this and want to keep your legs strong, flexible, and pain-free, make bananas a daily habit. It's one of the easiest, most affordable ways to protect your muscles naturally. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and stay tuned, because up next, we'll uncover the next surprising benefit of bananas that not only soothes your muscles, but helps your nerves recover faster after stress or fatigue. Don't miss it, or you'll lose the real secret behind why this fruit is called nature's best recovery food. Bananas do more than just stop cramps. They also help your nerves communicate better and recover faster. One of the key nutrients behind this is vitamin B6, a quiet powerhouse that supports the production of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers your brain uses to talk to your muscles. When vitamin B6 is low, those signals slow down or misfire, causing your legs to feel heavy, twitchy, or weak. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, explains that vitamin B6 also helps reduce inflammation inside muscles, making it easier for them to recover after daily activity. A single banana provides about 30% of the daily B6 seniors need, helping maintain a steady flow of energy and smoother coordination throughout the day. The Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health adds that foods high in B6 improve blood flow and nerve function, both crucial for older adults who want to stay independent and prevent falls. Another reason bananas are so effective is that they naturally combine B6 with potassium and magnesium, the perfect trio for nerve and muscle health. These minerals regulate how your muscles contract, relax, and stay hydrated. That's why even one banana a day can help prevent nocturnal cramps, the painful leg spasms that wake many seniors during the night. For those who deal with frequent cramping, 2 bananas spaced throughout the day can make a noticeable difference within weeks. Studies published by the Cleveland Clinic show that seniors who eat potassium-rich foods like bananas experience fewer nighttime cramps and improve muscle endurance. What makes bananas even more valuable is how gentle they are on the stomach. Their natural electrolytes and mild sweetness make them easier to digest than supplements or sports drinks, which often contain artificial ingredients. Hydration also plays a huge role in muscle function. Bananas work best when paired with plenty of water, since dehydration is one of the top triggers of cramps. The Mayo Clinic recommends 6 to 8 glasses of water daily for older adults. But pairing bananas with coconut water can be even better. It's a natural source of potassium, magnesium, and sodium, helping replenish electrolytes lost through sweat or medication. Together, they create a powerful, natural anti-cramp routine that keeps your muscles nourished and ready for movement. Bananas are often called nature's energy bar for a reason. They restore nutrients, calm the nerves, and give your muscles the balance they need to stay flexible. Keep one nearby for a mid-morning or bedtime snack. You'll notice how your legs feel lighter and more relaxed. And if you think bananas are powerful, wait until you discover what comes next. Up ahead, we'll explore another simple, everyday food that quietly prevents cramps, strengthens circulation, and fuels muscle recovery. Nuts and seeds. The anti-cramp combo every senior should know about. 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are tiny but mighty when it comes to fighting muscle cramps and keeping your body strong after 60. They're packed with magnesium, potassium, protein, and healthy fats, forming one of nature's best anti-cramp combinations. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, explains that magnesium plays a vital role in helping muscles relax after contracting, while potassium keeps nerve signals steady and prevents that sudden tightening feeling that often hits at night. For seniors, this balance is essential because as we age, our bodies lose minerals more easily through sweat, medication, or dehydration. A small handful of nuts or seeds each day can help replace those lost electrolytes and keep your muscles calm and responsive. Take Evelyn, a 67-year-old grandmother from California. For years, she'd wake up at 3 a.m. with painful calf cramps that made her jump out of bed. Her doctor advised her to snack on a mix of almonds and pumpkin seeds instead of chips in the evening. Within a few weeks, the cramps eased and she felt her legs getting stronger. "I didn't think something that small could make such a difference," she said. "That's because magnesium doesn't just help with muscle relaxation, it also supports energy production and blood circulation." The Cleveland Clinic confirms that low magnesium levels can trigger frequent cramps, irregular heartbeat, and even fatigue. When combined with potassium, these nutrients help muscles contract smoothly, reduce inflammation, and speed up recovery after walking or exercise. What makes nuts and seeds even more special is their content of healthy fats, especially omega-3s and monounsaturated fats. These fats improve circulation and reduce inflammation in muscle tissue, helping oxygen and nutrients flow freely. Better circulation means fewer cramps and faster recovery. The Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health notes that people who include nuts regularly in their diets have better cardiovascular and muscle health, which translates to fewer episodes of stiffness or soreness. And for seniors who spend less time outdoors, these healthy fats also support vitamin D absorption, another plus for bone and muscle strength. Tip: so, if you're still watching, tap that like button to let me know you care about keeping your muscles healthy. And don't stop here. The next part will show you which specific nuts and seeds work best for older adults, how to combine them for maximum benefit, and which types to avoid if you want lasting strength and fewer cramps. Trust me, the next tip might surprise you. It's not about eating more, but eating smart. When it comes to fighting leg cramps and protecting your muscles, not all nuts and seeds are created equal. Some stand out for their exceptional levels of magnesium, potassium, protein, and healthy fats, which work together to support smooth muscle function and circulation. Among the best choices for seniors are pumpkin seeds, almonds, cashews, pistachios, and walnuts, each offering a slightly different set of benefits. According to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, pumpkin seeds are one of the richest natural sources of magnesium, providing nearly half of the recommended daily intake in a single ounce. Magnesium plays a direct role in preventing cramps by helping muscles relax after contracting, while potassium in pistachios supports nerve function and fluid balance. Almonds and cashews provide plant-based protein to rebuild muscle tissue, and walnuts contribute omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. The Cleveland Clinic emphasizes that these nutrients are most effective when combined, creating what doctors call a synergistic effect. Each nutrient amplifies the benefits of the others. The key to reaping these rewards is consistency and moderation. A small handful a day, roughly 1 ounce, is all it takes to maintain electrolyte balance and muscle health. That's about 20 almonds or a few spoonfuls of pumpkin seeds. The Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health notes that people who regularly consume nuts have lower levels of inflammation, healthier arteries, and better control over blood pressure, all factors that directly impact muscle performance. To keep things healthy, choose unsalted, raw, or dry roasted varieties. Salted or flavored nuts can add unnecessary sodium, which can worsen dehydration and actually increase the risk of cramps. The Mayo Clinic recommends pairing nuts with other magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens or whole grains for even greater benefit. What's remarkable is that these small, everyday snacks can help seniors restore energy, protect nerves, and strengthen the muscles that support balance and movement. If you're still watching, hit that like button to let me know you're here and ready to take charge of your health, and stay tuned because next we'll bring everything together: how these powerful foods work as a team to protect your legs, rebuild muscle, and keep you walking strong for years to come. Missing what comes next would mean losing the most important takeaway of all: how to turn these small daily habits into lasting strength and freedom of movement. Combining eggs, bananas, and nuts or seeds each day gives your body the perfect mix of protein, potassium, and magnesium to fight cramps, rebuild strength, and keep you active longer. Stay hydrated, keep your electrolytes balanced, and your muscles will thank you with smoother movement and more energy. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple, science-backed, senior healthy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video to keep your body strong and independent after 60.